In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I restore my Shopify store. When most people talk about restoring a Shopify store, what they really need is a quick way to get their storefront's design back to a working state after a change goes wrong. The safest built-in method for this is to make a duplicate of your theme. That duplicate acts like a restore point you can fall back on later. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to create that safety copy, along with practical context so you know what's happening at each stage. First, sign into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, where you manage products, orders, and your site's appearance. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and select Online Store. That opens the Themes area, which is where your current live theme and any unpublished themes live. On the Themes page, find your current theme card. You'll see an Options or Actions control on that card, often shown as a drop-down or 3 dots. Click that to open the menu. This menu contains theme-specific tools, and it's the safest place to create a working backup of your design without touching what customers currently see. From that menu, choose Duplicate. Shopify will immediately start creating a copy of your theme. You'll see the new copy appear in your theme library, usually labeled as a duplicate. It may take a moment to finish processing, especially if your theme includes a lot of images or custom files. While it runs, avoid making big design changes so the backup represents a clean snapshot. That's it for the clicks. You now have a theme duplicate that functions like a restore point. A couple of pro tips to keep things tidy. Rename the duplicate with today's date and a short note so you can recognize it later at a glance. Consider keeping the most recent few backups and removing very old ones, because Shopify limits how many themes you can store in your library. It's also important to understand what this protects. Duplicating a theme backs up your theme files and theme settings, your layout, templates, styles, and many customizations. It does not roll back store data such as products, customers, orders, or inventory. Think of this as insurance for your site's look and feel. Before any major edit, app install, or code change, make another duplicate so you always have a fresh version to return to if needed. With those simple actions, you've created a reliable pathway to restore your storefront's design quickly and confidently. Keep this habit, and you'll edit with peace of mind